one of the most innovative and career-defining program in India, the IIT Madras BS in Data Science and Applications. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or simply curious about the cutting-edge courses, stay tuned because this video has everything you need to know. Data is the new oil, and the IIT Madras has stepped into this reality by offering a Bachelor's of Science in Data Science and Applications, launched in 2020. This program is the first of its kind in India, offered by an IIT completely online, breaking traditional barriers to education. It's designed to equip students with a strong foundation in data science, programming, problem solving, skills that are in demand across every industry today. So, what makes this program special? You can study from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. There's no need for JEE score. Anyone who has cleared class 12th with English and Math can apply. You can exit after completing a foundation level diploma or go all the way to earn the BS degree. Compared to other IIT programs, this one is much lighter on the pocket, with scholarship available for eligible students. This program is divided into 3 levels. Foundation level cover basic like mathematics, statistics and programming. Diploma level focusing on advanced programming, machine learning and business data management. Degree level specialized course in the AI, deep learning, big data and domain elective. This tiered structure ensures you are job ready at every stage while allowing you to customize your learning path. Now let's talk about admission. Eligibility. You need to have completed class 12 with math and English qualifier. This journey begins with a 4-week online qualifier where you are introduced to basics of statistics, programming and math. At the end of 4th week, there's an exam, perform well and you are in. Over 1 lakh students apply every year, but the program is structured to welcome learners from diverse backgrounds, including working professionals. The curriculum is designed to build core data science skills. Here are some highlights. Programming. Learn Python, R and SQL. Data analytics. Work on real-world datasets and create insights. Machine learning. Dive into supervised, unsupervised and deep learning. Mathematics and statistics. Strengthen your analytical thinking. Domain elective. Choose courses that suit your career interest from finance to healthcare. Hand-on projects and capstone assignment prepare you to solve real-world problems. What can you do after this degree? Job roles: data scientist, machine learning engineer, business analytics, AI scientist and more. Higher studies: use this degree to pursue an MS or PhD at top universities globally. Startups: build your own tech product, use this skill you gain. Some students have landed internship and job at top companies like Google and Amazon, while others have ventured into exciting startup ecosystems. Let's bring the pro and cons. Pro: flexibility, affordability, industry-relevant curriculum, and no geographical constraint. Cons: requires self-discipline for online learning and limited peer-to-peer and interaction compared to traditional IIT program. Success in this program depends on time management. Treat it like a regular degree with fixed study hours. Consistency. Don't just watch lecture, practice coding and participate in discussions. Utilize resources, use forums, peer networks and faculty sports. Here are some frequently asked questions. Can I do this alongside a job? Yes. The program is designed for all working professionals. Is this degree valid for government job? Yes. This degree is UGC approved. What if I struggle with math? The foundation level ensures you get the basic before diving deep. In conclusion, this IIT Madras BS in Data Science is a game changer for anyone looking to enter the world data science and AI. It democratizes access to quality education while preparing you for the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone exploring career options. Don't forget to subscribe for more such contents. See you in the next video.